Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have some basic abs moves for beginners or anyone who tend to hurt their back when performing intermediate or advanced moves. The first move is where you just lift your shoulder blades off the ground and you try and slide your hands to your knees, as you can see I'm doing, keeping your abs nice and tight, and you just crunching just halfway to your knees and dropping down. This next one is a classic move, which are the bicycles, but we often tend to ignore these. So in this variation, we are basically just moving our legs and not doing anything with the upper body. So that takes the upper body out of the move, and we're just focusing on the lower section of the abs by just moving our legs nice and slow. When you bring your knee towards your upper body, just make sure you're crunching hard and then slowly doing your bicycle move. Now moving on to your leg raises. Now with this one, I like to put my hands just under my bottom because that gives me a lot more support. Just make sure your back is nice and flat on the ground, and you slowly lifting your legs up and slowly bringing them down. Keep your abs contracted the whole time, especially during that lowering of the leg movement, because that's when you're using your abs to literally control and slowing down that movement where you're lowering your legs, and that's where the most of the work is happening. So focus, bring your mind to that movement and keep your abs tight and slowly lower the legs down. The next exercise is single leg raise to a sit-up crunch. Now as you can see, I'm lifting my shoulder blades off the ground and I'm trying to reach one of the legs. Remember to squeeze hard at the top of the movement where your hands are almost reached to your leg. That's where you want to really crunch hard and feel the burn. Now repeat the same on the other leg and do about 10 to 12 reps on each leg. Lastly, we have some scissor crunches. Now keeping your shoulder blades and legs off the ground, alternate legs and crunch as you do so. Make sure your back is nice and flat on the ground because that's where you're getting all the support from. And this was it for today guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye now.